Hello and welcome. Today let's discuss how to make My Likes private on X. Here's the simple answer that actually you don't need to change anything because X already made likes private for everyone in 2024. So open X on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen and go to your profile and swipe to Likes tab right here. So here you will see your own list of likes and other people. Nobody can see this tab on your profile because it's hidden from both followers and non-followers users. But one thing is that your post that you like on X may still pop up in your followers feed here at the top of your screen with the note that this user liked this post. So you just have to keep in mind that you have to be careful with things that you like on X because it may occasionally show up in that following feed. And for total privacy, you want to use bookmarks function instead of likes. So whenever you want to save some kind of post, you want to tap this bookmark button under the post, and this will save this post to your bookmarks section, which you can find if you tap your profile picture in the upper left and go to section bookmarks. So here you will see every single post that you have added to your bookmarks, and this one is 100% private and this will never appear in anyone's feed, so you don't have to worry about that. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.